No one ever told Alex that his life would be shaped by a small number. Not a big salary, not luck, not a sudden breakthrough, but $3. At first, Alex's life felt overwhelming. Bills piled up. His desk was a mess. No matter how hard he worked, money always seemed to disappear. He wasn't lazy, he was just unaware. An overpriced coffee, another takeout meal, a small impulse buy that felt harmless. $3 here, $3 there, gone, without a trace. Then one day, staring at his phone, Alex finally asked himself, where is my money really going? He tried to budget. It felt frustrating. He tried to stop spending. It never lasted until a simple realization hit him. Big financial problems aren't created overnight. They're created quietly through small habits repeated every day. And that's when everything changed. Alex discovered a simple idea. If small habits can slowly destroy your finances, small habits can also quietly build them. Not $300, not $3,000. Who's $3? Every purchase, he wrote it down. Every day, he moved $3 into savings. Every temptation, he paused and asked, is this serving my future or just my impulse? He started bringing his own lunch, learning about money a little at a time, even investing starting with amounts that felt almost insignificant. And something unexpected happened. Those tiny decisions began to stack up. Not in a week, not in a month, but steadily, silently, his savings grew. His stress faded, his space and his mind became clearer. What once felt small became a foundation. What once felt invisible became powerful. Alex learned a truth most people never realize. Your net worth isn't built by rare, massive decisions. It's built by small choices made consistently when no one is watching. Today, Alex still enjoys life. He still buys coffee. He still spends money. But now, he does it with intention. Every dollar has a purpose. Every decision moves him forward. Because, in the end, it's not how much money you make that shapes your future. It's the quiet habits you repeat every single day. And maybe your future is waiting on a $3 decision today. The $3 money habits. Small choices. Quiet power. Life-changing results.